how we can look, right? There's a motor out there. From what I've seen of it, there's only one little beach area that you could actually land your boat on and get off, have fun, a barbecue and all that shit. Tell everybody you barbecued on the island. I'm going all the way around it. I guess it's right there probably where you can beach your boat, have your little barbecue. Whoa, tree branch is way out there. I don't like that. There's a tree branch right there sticking up. Look at that shit. Wow. Oh my God, I just started recording. We just went through there. I had to slow down. There's tree branches right in the middle over there almost. There was a head of a tree sticking out. Oh well. That was our visit to the island. There's a lot of places in this lake, man, where you come and just see tree branches sticking up. Well, we navigated out of those trees. There's a sailboat, though. See that sailboat out there? Let's go get him, harassing him. Let's go get him. No, I'm only kidding. I wouldn't do that. Moving. Sailboats are nice. I love sailboats for the ocean. All you need is wind power. You can go around the world.